Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is a 1 hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us right now. And as we all know that there was a huge fall on the chart of GBPUSD. We saw a huge fall on the chart of GBPUSD yesterday. On Friday morning, various reports came out regarding the retail sales, manufacturing output, and all the reports pointed towards a pressure on the economy. Okay, as a result, we saw a heavy fall on all the GBP pairs. And you can see that British pound forecast GBPUSD at risk of further losses as the UK economy weakens. So still things are not very much positive. Though we have seen heavy fall on the chart of GBPUSD, still there is a possibility that GBPUSD will be going down further. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website. Okay. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 92% retail traders are on the long position. They have taken buy position and still they are holding on to their buy position, and only 7% have taken short position. And this is the chart of GBPUSD right now. So my dear friend, if you are on the buy side of GBPUSD and if the selling continues next week, then please exit from your buy position, because see, it's your hard-earned money, so it's your responsibility to protect it. The most common reason behind losing money in the market is that we fail to follow the trend of the market. And as we all know that whether you trade on forex market, stock market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market has only one rule, and the rule is trend. Follow the trend. So if you fail to follow the trend, okay, then it's very difficult to survive in the market. So if the downtrend continues on GBPUSD in the coming week, if possible, try to exit from your position or long position or buy position on GBPUSD. Okay, anyways, let's try to understand GBPUSD chart. First of all, okay, GBPUSD was extremely weak, and it tried to I won't say that it tried to take support, but somehow it managed. Okay, it managed to bounce from here. Okay, 1.2820. This is the level on the chart of GBPUSD. So on Monday, if market breaks this particular level and starts going down again, okay, then the selling may continue again. And as I have already shown you on the report that GBPUSD at risk of further losses. So if the downside continues, then obviously market will break the level 1.2820 and market will fall, and you can take a sell position as well. Sell below this level. Okay, if market breaks the level and starts falling again. And on Monday, if you see that market is trying to recover or GBPUSD is trying to recover, okay, then there is a possibility that around 1.2880 to 1.2890, around this level, market will face selling pressure again. So if we follow this particular trend of the market and if we follow all the factors here, then there is a possibility that either market will be break this level and starts falling, or if market tries to recover also, then sell at rise. Okay, sell at rise may be a good opportunity for us. So if market tries to go up also, there is a possibility that market will be facing some selling pressure around this level, and we can take a sell position. So if market shows us selling around this level, price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, any bearish pattern around this level, we can take a sell position as well. But everything depends on the opening of the market, because during the weekends many events may happen, many news may come up. Okay, so be careful while trading on Monday, and please follow proper risk management and use use the position just calculator as well, because it's your hard-earned money. And right now GBP USD or any GBP pair is extremely volatile, so you must be extra careful. Keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market, no analysis is 100% accurate. Okay, I can be wrong as well, but it's your hard-earned money, so try to protect it. Again, I'll say, try to follow the trend of the market. So if market follows the trend, then selling will be the best opportunity for us. If market breaks it and if we see that selling is there, selling pressure continues, then obviously we can take a sell position below this level. Or if market tries to recover and again market bounces, sorry, not market reverses from this level, we can take a sell position as well. So this is all about GBP USD. I do not have much things to share on GBP USD right now. I'll just say that please be careful with GBP USD and follow proper risk management, because all GBP pairs are very volatile right now. Bye bye.